A bit of a shorter video right now because I'm currently in the middle of packing to go see my grandparents and my dad from, well, today, which is when you guys are seeing this video, until next Wednesday. But so I'm just plugging a thing. Either way, I had to get a new mic because my current one has a bit of a short in the actual jack. So, I mean, it's not gonna show it lately, it's been fine, but so this is what it's like when it's off. When it's on, you tap it. But whenever I went and plugged it in, because I just have it plugged into the base of my Razer no, I don't know what the fuck that thing, it's a headphone holder, but I use it just as a spare USB hub. Anyway, this wouldn't even light up. And I thought at first, like, oh, maybe the lighting was just dying in it. No, I was completely wrong. It's just something in the jack, in this. This is fine. This is a problem. I don't think it has to do with the port in that, but yeah. So I decided to just say fuck it, get a new one before it actually shits itself on me. I mean, I do have, what is it? This Razer one that I got a while back. This is the one that I take when I'm traveling, but I'm not taking it this time. Wait, hang on. I had to get Sully out of my room. She wanted out. Anyway, so the mic that I have there is a Hyper Quadcast, but this is the 2S, which is RGB. It uses, I think, both. Come on. It uses both USB-C and USB-A. I think that's what that one is. Anyway, it's fine. On my hub there, I have like two USB-C ports, but for some reason only one works, which might be time for me to get a new hub. Anyway, careful maneuver things. I'll grab that. Is it? Oh, they're doing what Razer does. Or Razer. Oh yeah, Razer does this too. But it's mostly an Apple thing where you see them do the pull tab. Stay now. So obviously you get the instructions and what to do. You get the cord, which has the thing there. I don't think it. Hang on. I'm just trying to even think it has this little thing on the cord anymore, which is kind of nice. Okay, I thought I was gonna need that. And you have the mic. So obviously that controls stuff. Mute, which you just tap it and it has the lights indicating that it's on and whatnot. Obviously I'm not going to plug it in right now. I'm waiting till I can find a proper mic stand, there we go, that I can fit over top of my monitor, because when I'm sitting at my desk I just have it like that. I don't exactly have the space to get one of the ones that, like the low profile ones, so plus I prefer having it above. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else. No. But yeah, I'll be I might do a video at some point to show the difference between stuff. I don't know. Yeah.